It is supposed to be the colon cleanse today, and I was a little worried that that might not be too good in the middle of church. You know what I'm saying? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna take you on a little journey with me over the course of the next 3 days. These quarantine snacks have definitely gotten to me since all of this stuff with COVID has happened and the quarantine and all of that. Your girl has been cooking and eating way too many snacks and just eating way too much junk. I've just allowed myself that time to indulge. My body, my mind is just definitely feeling it, and I feel like I really need like a cleanse, a detox. I've been wanting to do like a juice cleanse for a really long time, and I know there's a ton of different like companies that sell juice cleanses and you can get all of the juices, but I wanted to do my own fresh juice cleanse. Disclaimer, I'm not telling any of you to go out and do a juice cleanse, but for me, I feel like this is what my body needs. It's only 3 days. I found the cleanse that I'm gonna do on Pinterest, and it's called the 72-hour cleanse and reset. And it's supposed to retrain your taste buds and detox your body, which is exactly what I need right now. Day 1 is supposed to be a sugar detox. Day 2 is a colon cleanse. That sounds like a lot of fun, doesn't it? And then day 3 is a kidney flush. I've gone to the store and I got all of the fresh fruits and vegetables that I need. Now, if you know me, you know that I'm not a stranger to juicing. I love juicing. I've done it off and on for the last like about 2 years probably. Here's the thing. I just got a brand new juicer, so I'm gonna show you guys my new juicer that's supposed to be like amazing, and I'm so excited to just unbox this thing, get it ready. We're gonna go ahead and make day 1 sugar detox juice, and it's supposed to make like 64 ounces, and I guess I'm just supposed to drink that all day. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. I don't know what the results will be, but I'm gonna take you along each day and tell you exactly how I'm feeling. Of course, I'll leave it in the description box, the one that I decided to do. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into this, and I'm gonna show you guys the juicer that I got. So here is my brand new juicer. This is from Tech Wellness, and it is the Masticating juicer. These juicers are supposed to be so much better. It's supposed to get literally every single drop of juice out of your fruits and vegetables, and it also is supposed to get like, I think like 90% of the pulp out of the juice as well. This is what I struggled with my old juicer, so I'm hoping and praying that this one is like bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and put it together, and I will show you what it looks like. A few notable things about this particular juicer is that it includes a premium durable motor that operates up to 45 minutes per cycle, which is amazing. It does a great job extracting juice because it's got a low speed of 40 RPMs, which leaves nothing wasted. The pulp comes out completely dry. You get the most bang for your buck, and the sleek design is just beautiful. I have prepared all of the fruit and veggies for the first sugar detox juice. We are gonna go ahead and test out the Tech Wellness Masticating juicer, as well as taste test this sugar detox juice for today. And I'm a little scared. Okay, so this is completely filled up, and I still have a lot to do because this is a full day's worth of juice. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this out and pour it into a big bowl so that I can continue juicing. This is what the pulp is looking like. This is nothing like my old juicer where it would still have a lot of juice in it. I'm gonna continue juicing and we will be back. So I went ahead and cleaned out the juicer, and it only took me a couple of minutes, and here is my mixture right here. I'm gonna whisk it up just to mix all of the ingredients and then pour them into mason jars. It definitely made right around 64 ounces for this particular recipe, which it said that it would. So I just put them in mason jars because I heard that that keeps it a little fresher. We're gonna go ahead and start with this right here. So cheers. I'm nervous. Definitely smells like vegetables. I mean, not the greatest thing I've ever had, but definitely not the worst. That's actually really good and really refreshing. Today, sugar detox is going down. Cheers to day 1 of this juice cleanse. It is the end of day 1. I've got one more juice left to drink, and so far today has actually been really easy. I think because the juice tastes good. I kept myself really busy so that I wasn't thinking about food. I know this might be TMI, but I didn't actually go to the bathroom today. I mean, I went pee, but that was it. And I was surprised that this didn't like send me running to the bathroom, but I've felt pretty full after each juice, but I am starting to get a little bit of a headache. Today was good and I feel good, and got one more juice to drink, and then we are on to day 2 of this cleanse. Hey guys, we are back with day 2 of this juice cleanse, and today is supposed to be the colon cleanse. I do want to give you a little bit of an update about yesterday's cleanse. I did have a little bit of trouble sleeping. I told you that I started to get a little bit of a headache towards the end of the evening. So when I went to lay down, I definitely started to get a pretty bad headache, and I did wake up in the middle of the night with my stomach growling. So I wasn't hungry at all yesterday, I guess because I was spacing out my juice about every 2 to 3 hours on the dot. So I didn't really have a chance to get hungry. And then we had church this morning. So what I decided to do was just wait until after church to do this juice cleanse, just because it is supposed to be the colon cleanse today, and I was a little worried that that might not be too good in the middle of church. You know what I'm saying? I have prepared everything for today's juice, and I'm going to show you guys what is included in the recipe for today. And of course, we will do a little taste test. Here are all of the super fresh veggies that we have going on today. I will say that I am definitely craving this fresh juice right now. I am done juicing everything. Once again, here is my mixture, and I'm gonna whisk everything together so that all the flavors kind of marry into one another. Have all of my jars of juice ready to go for the rest of the day. It is 2 o'clock already, so I will be spacing these out about every 2 hours or so. But I'm gonna go ahead and have my first taste of this one. It doesn't smell pleasant, but hopefully it tastes okay. Oh yeah. Not bad at all. I actually feel like I'm craving this now. Even after 1 day of juicing, I definitely feel like my body is craving this freshness. Cheers to day 2. I'll keep you posted on how I am feeling, and then we'll be on to day 3. Hey guys, we are back with day 3, and I just realized that I never came back yesterday and like followed up with y'all about how yesterday went. I drank all my juices and it was fine. I felt really good yesterday. I actually felt more full yesterday drinking that particular juice, which was the colon cleanse juice, and I'm happy to announce that it did not have me running to the bathroom like I thought I was going to. I just wasn't a fan of the taste. It wasn't awful, but it just wasn't my favorite tasting juice. By my 4th jar, I was definitely like not really feeling it, but I still got it down. I wasn't hungry throughout the night like I was the previous night. I guess my body just got used to it. I feel like I've got a lot of energy. I don't have any bloating, which is fantastic. I've already prepared the fruits and vegetables for day 3's juice, and this is the kidney flush juice that we're about to make. I'm gonna quickly show you all the ingredients that are in today's juice, but I'm not gonna record the juicing part because it is a little monotonous, but I will come back and do a little taste test when I am done making everything. For today's juice, we have 1 bundle of celery, we have 1 cucumber, we have 1 lemon, 15 carrots, 2 tomatoes, which I forgot to cut those up, handful of spinach, 6 cut up apples, 5 beets, and that is today's juice. Day 3's juices are all prepared, ready to go. I have a feeling that I'm gonna really like this one because it has 6 apples, so there is some sweetness, but it also has tomatoes in it. This one tastes totally different than the rest, actually. This one, I can't really taste the celery in. I definitely taste more apple, but I also taste some of the beets in there. Day 3 is going down. I'm already feeling so much better. Cheers to detoxing our bodies. It is 6:15. This is my second to last juice of this entire cleanse. Who the heck's idea was this to do this over Memorial weekend? Like, I wasn't really thinking about that, so I would really like a burger or a hot dog right now, but that's okay. I'm gonna drink my juice and I'm gonna be okay. This juice and yesterday's juice, I know what it's gotta be, the beets. I'm not a fan of beets. I'm gonna try to drink this down as quickly as I can. It's not bad, but now this is my third one. I'm just over it. All right, you guys, it is about 9:30. I am super tired tonight. Currently drinking my last juice, trying to just get it down because at this point I'm like so over the taste of this. Cheers to detox. All right, you guys, this juice cleanse is done, and I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say that I'm not happy that it's done, because I'm happy it's done. I wanna tell you kind of the pros and cons of this particular juice cleanse. The pros are that I definitely feel a little lighter. I did lose about 5 pounds. Really, I did this for my gut health, but a little bit of weight loss is a benefit of this. Now, do I think that I'm gonna be able to keep it off? As soon as I start eating regular food again, I'm sure I'm gonna gain that weight right back. But one more pro about this cleanse is that I definitely feel like I'm craving fresh, healthier foods. When you detox your body and you're fueling it with really great things, really great ingredients, really great foods, it makes you crave more of those things. I definitely feel more energized. Now, yesterday I was feeling a little bit more tired, and it was day 3, so I saw the end in sight. Definitely feel way more energized today. I haven't had my first meal of the day or anything. Honestly, I kind of want to make another juice without beets. Another pro is that just overall, mentally, I just feel better. I feel healthier. I feel like I've done something good for my body, which really helps our mental state to just be in a more positive space. I don't have any bloating. I struggle with bloating really bad, but this definitely helped to kind of get rid of my bloating. I'm feeling really good in my gut, which was basically my biggest goal in this. You do pee a lot doing this cleanse. I mean, you're intaking a lot of liquid, so I definitely felt like I was peeing probably every 30 minutes to an hour. I would rather have that than going number 2 that much. The detox headache that I got on day 1 was not fun, but it wasn't like a super bad migraine to where I couldn't handle it. You could just tell my body was detoxing from all the junk that I had been consuming. Would I recommend this cleanse? Absolutely. If you are like me and you're just feeling a little sluggish and you feel like you need just kind of a reset. Overall, I feel like I achieved the goals that I set out when I decided to do this. Physically and mentally, I just feel better. I definitely think that I will probably do this cleanse again in the future because it's totally doable. Also, I do want to mention that I love my new juicer. It is a slower juicing process than my old juicer, but that is because the way that it is pressed, it really gets out every single bit of juice out of your fruits and vegetables. I probably saw a 40 to 50% increase in the amount of juice that I got out of my fruits and vegetables. So highly recommend this juicer if you're in the market for a juicer. I'll leave everything linked in the description box. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and enjoyed kind of going along this journey with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.